Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be continuing our 3.1. Alright, you guys were supposed to do pages 96 and 97 yesterday on your own. And today you're going to be working on page 98, which we'll do together in a little bit. And then you will do the homework in practice on page 99 and 100. Okay, and that you will turn those two pages in 99 and 100. Alright, so we worked on 10 frames yesterday and how we can use 10 frames to help us add two numbers, help us add 10 and more. Alright, so how can you use a 10 frame to add 10 and some more? Well, you can show the 10 inside, and then you can show underneath it the other number, and you can count on from 10. Alright, so we already know we're going to be starting with 10, but then you count on to get your new answer, your sum. Okay, so here we go. Let's do one together here. Okay, I have 10 plus 4. Alright, so let's say Angie had 10 oranges and her mom went to the store and bought 4 more. So how many oranges did Angie have all together then? Alright, so we have, I'll leave it here actually, just so you can see that. You can write it down if you want. 10 plus 4. Okay, so we're going to start off with our 10 frame, and we're going to put our 10 blocks in here. Now, if you don't have this, but you want to get hands-on, ask your mom if she's got some little macaroni shells or maybe some dried beans. You can use anything you have at home to show this. Okay, so we have our 10 frame. That's how many oranges she started off with. But then they added 4 more. So we have here our 10 plus 4. So we don't have to say 1, 2, 3. We already know how many we start off with. We start off with 10, and we're just going to count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, so our sum is 14. 10 oranges plus 4 more oranges equal to 14 oranges. Okay, let's do another one. 10 plus 7. Okay, we started off with our 10 frame. We're just going to leave it. And now we're going to add 7. But let's see, let's come up with a different question. All right. Jacob had 10 Pokemon cards, and his friend gave him 7 more Pokemon cards. So how many cards did he have total? All right, so that's 10 plus 7. So we start off with our 10, and how many are we adding? 7. Okay, so we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's add them up together. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay, and again, this is called our sum. All right, one more. 10 plus 2. Okay, let me get these down. All right, let's think of another. All right, let's see. Mrs. Garcia had 10 roses and 2 sunflowers. How many flowers did Mrs. Garcia have all together? All right, so we have 10 plus 2 more flowers. Okay, so I'm going to add in my 2. This one was too easy probably for you guys. 10, 11, 12. Okay, our sum of 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay, So now I'm going to get the book out and do that page with you. Alright, so this is a continuation of yesterday, and it uses some, these right here are practicing for later on when you guys will take tests where you have to bubble in. So we always practice bubbling in correctly. Alright, it says choose the correct answer. Okay, and just to remind you, I'm on page 98. Alright, so if you're doing this on your iPad, you might have to do it after you watch the video. Alright, so here we go. Number 11. Use tools. Sarah knocked down 10 bowling pins. Then she knocked down 7 more, which shows 10 plus 7. Alright, so we want to know which one of these shows 10 plus 7. Alright, so we want to show our 10 would be our 10 frame, would be full. Alright, so, sorry, I froze. So can this be our answer? No. We already know that that cannot be our answer. But let's look here. We have our 10 plus 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Does this show 10 and 7? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It does. But I'm going to check my last one just to make sure I didn't miss something. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, that is 15. So this is wrong. This one is correct, and so we bubble it in carefully. All right, let's look at the next one, number 12. Sarah's best friend bowls 2 times. He knocks down 10 bowling pins the first time. He knocks down 6 bowling pins the next time. How many bowling pins does he knock down in all? Okay, let's come back and circle our information. Okay, Sarah's best friend bowls 2 times. He knocks down 10 bowling pins. So that's our first, or 10. The second time he knocks down 6 bowling pins. All right, so we're looking for 10 plus 6. Excuse me. So 10 plus 6. Okay, we could do our markers to show our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to add 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, we have our 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our answer is 16. 61 does not make any sense. 10 plus 6 would not be 61. That's too big of a number. And 7, 10 plus 6 does not equal 7. All right, so we cross that one out too. Number 13. This is a Texas test prep. What number sentence does this model show? Okay, so here we know that this shows how many? 10. And these in yellow, how many are there? 2. Okay, and we are showing 10 plus 2 equals how many? 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's look over here and see if any of these match. 10 minus 2 equals 8. No, we are not subtracting anything. 10 plus 2 equals 12. That looks right. Let's check the last one. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Nope. That's not what we did. We did 10. All right, so we're going to bubble in 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right. So you're going to do the next 2 pages on your own, and please turn that in. 99 and 100. I know you guys can do it. All right. Y'all did an excellent job yesterday showing me your work as well. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.